Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now this child door lock feature is only for the rear doors. First off, we'll start with the rear right door. So let's go ahead and open the door. Right when you open the door, there's a switch right over there. See that? It says lock with the arrow pointing downwards. So all you have to do is just push it down. And now the child door lock feature is engaged. Even with the feature engaged, I can open the door from outside. However, if I go on the inside now, let's see what happens. I cannot open. Nope. No matter what I do, I cannot open the door. However, we did not engage it on the left side door, right? So guess what? I can open this door and I can get out. So let's open this door. And now let's open this from the outside and disengage the child door lock feature. Simply push the switch back up in its position and that's it. Now I should be able to open the door from outside just like I was previously. The main point is about the inside. See, now I can open it from the inside as well. Let's try this out for the left side door. Open it and the switch is right there, just like the right side door. Switch is right there with the arrow pointing downwards. Push it down, it's engaged. See what happens when I go inside. I cannot open, and that's it. This feature had to be engaged on both the sides to properly secure a child inside over here, right? You don't want to just engage it on one side and forget to do it on the other side, because the child can always just scoot over and open it from the other side, right? So for the safety, make sure it's engaged on both the sides. So now just go ahead and disengage the child door lock feature here and make sure it works properly. It's disengaged. Let's go back in. Lock doesn't open, and now it does open. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.